Okay guys, Likkle Wizzies here, back with another video. But this one is going to be quick. Now Google finally add a raise hand feature. Yes, no more confusion when you're trying to ask your teacher a question. So let me show you how to use it.
Okay students, who would like to answer the question?
Pause. Sir, don't you see the hand in the bottom right corner? That person wants to answer the question.
Oh, I see.
In fact, sir, click people. There you go, sir. You will see students' hands that are raised. Now let's say you have answered their question or they have answered your question. You can now lower their hand if you so choose. Or if there are a lot of students in your class, you can go above and you will see the option lower all hands.
Oh, interesting.
The raise hand feature can be found at the bottom of your screen. Before you click it, it shows you the option to raise your hand. But after clicking, it will give you an option to lower it, just in case you are not sure about your question or answer. If you look, there are two hands raised. It will display in the order that it was raised. So first person to raise, last person to raise. You can lower each hand or you can hover over to the top and you will see the option to lower all. Now tell your teachers, tell your classmates, no more disturbing a class session. Simply raise your hand.
Likkle Wizzies, I never know about raise hands. A new feature, you said. Great, thanks for telling me. No? Why? Raise your hand.
If this video helped, consider sharing it to friends and family so it may help them as well. Thank you guys for tuning in to Likkle Wizzies. There will be more tutorials on the way. Stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe with notification on and leave a comment. The best comment in this video will be pinned.